Hi, this is Uncle Bob. I'm here in the DJI Fly Safe database that you can get to online at this flysafe.dji.com. And I wanted to show you what I needed to do to fly at Apollo 11 aircraft field. And I've already done this, so I can't do it again, but you have to put in a period that you want to do it. And I put it in from August 22nd, 2024 through August 21st, 2025. You can only put 1 year period. Okay? So I'm just going to view my custom unlocking, and always use custom locking. And I highly recommend when you do this custom unlocking, you do this at home, because it's easier to see the screen, and when you're adjusting the actual fly area that you're gonna fly in, it's easier to see it on your personal computer. So trying to do it on an iPhone is, you can do it, but I don't recommend it. It's very hard. Okay? As you're going through, you have to put in your information. Then you have to put in what aircraft you're flying. So this is my Mavic 3. And you also, when you're updating, you're going to have to click on to the right where you say DJI Mavic 3, and it'll put your controller number in here. Highly important. I won't let you do it. Okay. So now, as you can tell, this is my custom unlocking, this circle. This is where I'm going to be flying. And if I zoom in a little bit, there's the Apollo 11 aircraft field. And if I zoom back out, I just want to show you this. Notice how part of my circle is in the flight path of the Van Nuys Airport, this red right here. It's restricted zone. That's why you can't fly there unless you get approval from the Fly app. Next, you need to unlock, for this place, you can only fly to 250 feet above ground, which equates to about 46 meters. When you're creating a custom unlocked request, try to use meters, because for some reason when you do feet, I get disapproved, or they don't approve it. But every time I use meters, most of the time it approves. Your time range is 1 year. And you have to give a reason. Fly at Apollo 11 RC field is what my reason was. And what I did was, it asks you to attach paperwork. And some places you have to get, paperwork from the FAA or whatever to fly in a really restricted area, or from the government. But in this case, all I want to do is fly at this RC field. So I just went to the website, and I just took a screen print of this RC field and attached it, a JPEG. So I've got this in. So basically now I'm ready to go. So now let's stop this part of the video, and then we'll go to the Apollo 11 RC field. Hi, it's Uncle Bob. I'm here at Apollo 11 RC field, and I'm going to double check to see if my DJI Fly Safe app updated okay, to see if I can fly here. First thing you need to do is go into unlock geozones. Another thing you should do is make sure you update the aircraft and also your controller while you're at home. I forgot to do that, so here's the hassle I started running into. Okay, hold on. Alright guys, well this is interesting, so let's just go to settings. Network, Wi-Fi. I turned on my cell phone Wi-Fi, so hopefully it'll find it. Get my phone out of my pocket here. Ah, here it is. Okay. So now I'm going to connect to my iPhone. So now it's connected. Now I should be able to go back into the app. I normally download this stuff before I leave, but I was a bit pressed for time. Alright, come on. If you notice that button import to aircraft is lit up, and you can also tell there's 3 licenses there, and you can see at the very end Apollo. So what I forgot to do was import it into the aircraft. Alright, here we go. Alright, I found it. Okay, good. Let's try this again. See how it's still saying restricted zone. Unlock the lead. Import into aircraft. Apollo 11. Okay, here it is. Alright. So now we're going to turn it on. It's going to ask for this disclaimer saying I'm qualified and I assume full responsibility for running into any bushes or trees. Alright, so I'm going to agree to it. Now, you notice that the red restricted area zone is now gone. So let's put the aircraft up in the air.
Home point updated.
Got home point. Here we go. I was really surprised that they burned out a lot of the fields here, so it's not quite as pretty. So I'm just gonna haul Bud over to the dam real quick.
Fly with caution.
Just flying to the Sepulveda Dam right now, so. Now let's whip back around. A little buggy today. Bugs. Alright, we're getting ready to cook over Burbank Boulevard. See if we can catch some folks flying some stuff. That's cool. Switching to 7s.
You filming? You filming?
Yeah, let me just bring it back.
Is that Mavic 3
Return
you said,
to home.
right?
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, you can put no goggles there.
What's that?
You can put no goggles.
On goggles? Yeah.
Yeah, goggles 3 I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put now. Before it's not. A lot better. Have you tried it with the goggles?
I haven't tried it yet.
A lot better. You just like a real pilot there.
Landing.
Gonna try it.
As you can see, once you set up the Fly Safe database, you can fly here with no problem.